So welcome back to my channel. It is a little bit early and I can hear someone outside walking around, so hopefully they don't hear me. So what I did is I went through my mod box and the stuff that I had in my inventory that I was going to sell, I went and plugged some mods into some of them just to make them worth a little bit more money. So like this steel shovel is now worth almost 3,000 just because I put some mods in it. But yeah, so we're going to go out and we're going to sell all this stuff. We have a job to do today, which is this tier 5 infestation. It's over by Joel. So we're going to go over there and do that, I think, and sell all this stuff at Joel's. So we're going to we'll actually go to Joel first, and then we'll go do the job. And today's Horde Day, so we need to be back at a reasonable time. Well, we've got 2 hours to kill. Let's get off here. And we'll put a couple things in our bike and we'll cut down some trees or something. Oh no. There's a snake. Come here, snake. Just die. And then we'll cut down some trees. We might as well. We need the supplies because we need to upgrade our horde base and stuff, right? Like today's horde day. There, we chopped down a bunch of trees. We planted a bunch more. Go wait for Trady. Hi, Jason Statham. That's another thing, too. That just took 2 hits. And the zombies in the update, they're a bit tankier. Yeah, we'll see. Because a lot of changes. Because, like, right now, for instance, when you look at me, we joke, but like I have a pineapple, like I'm a pineapple, right? In the new update, you can't. Like they don't offer the yellow skin or the bright colored hair, even the clothes. Like there's no clothes anymore. Like this is all different. So your characters all are gonna look the same. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see once I play it. I'm gonna wait until Stable comes out, though, before I actually do. Hurry up, Trady. Just friggin' open. Oh, hi, Nance. Nancy. In the update, you get new clothes. And you're not as vibrant. Some people I've seen play the new update, and they say that the dirty zombies makes it more immersive. So, we'll see. Because, like, you're in a dirty world, right? Like... there wouldn't necessarily be bright blue scrubs on a nurse.
Now
In we go. You're gonna love me today. I came to you, Joel, because I didn't want to deal with Rect. Because he's a jerk. So, I'm gonna sell you all of this stuff. Oh, he doesn't want any of our cloth armor. Or padded armor. That sucks. There. Okay, well, we got rid of a bunch of stuff. That stuff we'll have to get rid of somewhere else. Let's see. So he restocks tomorrow, but were we out here? Yeah, we came out here when we did the trader run, when we went to all the different traders, right? We came out here. Oh, he's got a solar bank. Friggin' solar cells are so expensive, though. I wish that you had, like, a motorcycle, though. Oh, do you have any bolts? No, you don't have any bolts. What good are ya? There's a zombie outside beating the crap out of the building. I can hear him. Oh yeah, and these aren't required to make dew collectors in the update either. The water filters. You can get water filter for them. Apparently, I don't understand. I haven't played yet, right? So, same as like the impact bracing mod, that doesn't exist anymore because you don't have clothes. So, okay.
Thanks for shopping here.
Yep.
Come again.
Thanks, Joel. So now, let's go over to this job. And we want to try to get it done fairly quickly. It's 7 a.m. I don't think I've ever done this one before. Okay, so here we are back at the POI. And the cursor thing's on this side, isn't it? Yeah. Hi, businessman. Oh. Feral Nancy. Nancy, what are you doing there, lady? Okay. Oh, and a snake. Another snake. Today is the day of snakes, man. Okay. My bike should be fine there, because it's on the road. So let's reset this. Oh my goodness. Hi, Ron. Bye, Ron. So this is an infestation. And it's deer out on the middle of the road. Not a whole lot in the cars. Okay. We're gonna try this, maybe? Sneak Over Trash Book we have not read. Right? We've only read the landmines one. Oh. Well then. Oh. Apparently I woke you guys up. I shouldn't be surprised. Oh. Thought for sure you were dead, Arls. Oh, and this is a clear, so like it should show the dots on my HUD. I don't remember the dots being there for those guys, though. I never use these coffee stations when I go to the car dealership. The first time I ever went to the car dealership to get maintenance done on my car, my most recent, no, a couple cars ago, the lady was so rude. The receptionist lady. I'm a bigger person, and at that point I hadn't lost the weight that I have now, and she made homemade cookies every morning, and she puts the tray down of all these homemade cookies, and she looks straight at me and she's like, "You can have as many as you want." And from that day forward, I never accept anything from the car dealership. Oh my god, how did I wake them up? No. Yeah, so I try not to go to the car dealership if I can avoid it. See, that took 3 hits, and I've seen people kill him, and it took like 6 or 7 hits. You know what? We don't have time to be all stealthy. We really don't have time. Oh! Although we might just die now. We still don't have any rad remover either in like any of our weapons. Thank goodness for oh shit weapons. Whew. I thought for a second I was gonna die there. I hurt myself a little bit. I'll give myself a little bit of health back. And it didn't even clear the bathroom? Jesus. 2 toothpaste mamas. Okay, so there's a bird right there. Let me reload. Jesus. Okay. And there's a construction worker and a bird. Okay. There's one more over here. Where are you? Oh, you're right there behind this thing, I think. That looks like a floppy wing. That's the one I shot. It was not. I was wrong. I was incorrect. Oh. Okay. I can't see heads. Apparently I hit it, though. Not a whole lot to search either, right? Oh! Double feral Jason Statham. Okay. Schematic I've already read. Let's sell that though. Okay. Ooh. Okay, there's 2 in that room. Oh. Oh, it's a bike. And a feral toothpaste mama. Come on. Yeah, I will miss the vibrant colors, I think. We'll see. We'll see. Josh says he likes it, so just because it seems to be, when they're bright colors, it breaks the immersion. Just because they're supposed to be zombies that are dead and stuff. Oh. Fuck off, Franks. So many Franks. Okay. I'm hurt. Fuck, I only have 1 bandage left. This could be bad. The light's down. So is there anything up here, though? Purse. And a broken ladder. Okay, so we are supposed to go down. Oh, fuck. Oh, Jesus. Look, they're not even making noise. How would I even know you were awake, you stupid zombie? You didn't even make a noise. You guys friggin' suck. Get in here. Hi, Jason Statham. Lay down. You get new clothes in the update. Another mod we can sell. A lot of books in this one. I didn't think there was going to be as many books and book boxes. Another vehicle magazine. Another schematic we can sell. Oh no, I did that one. Anything in there? Magazines in the toilet. Okay. Grab these. What time is it? Almost 11. Wiring magazine. Big hitters. Bow magazine. Another mod we can sell, or schematic we can sell. Where were we supposed to go after this? Oh, were we supposed to go up? Oh, where Jason Statham came from? Ooh. Okay. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Or that. I did not mean to do that. Hit you with an axe. That's so funny. Another bow magazine. Again, more shit that you can't even search. A book I've already read. A magazine I can sell. Anything behind the picture? No. Oh, wait. Was there a health bar? No, there's no health bar. Okay. Oh, fuck. See? I didn't even hear them. Where are you? And nothing in there. Where are you, 400 XP? Where are you? Empty magazines. Well, he's breaking stuff. I can hear him breaking stuff. Oh, there you are. Thanks. Okay. Up we go. Someone else is breaking stuff. Oh, Jesus. Oh my goodness. ScoMo, like, just fell off the ceiling. Oh, man. Okay. ScoMo down. Feral businessman down. Normal businessman, I can handle it. The feral ones, though, they're quick. Okay. Dirty water. Could go for some medical something. That would be nice, game. It's almost noon. Another vending machine. And still no health bar. Frig. Okay. Oh. And an airdrop coming in. Ooh, pain pill. Okay, so let's read a bunch of this stuff. We've got way too much stuff. This one we'll read. This we'll read. The bows we'll read. No big hitters. No these, no these, no these. Okay, so we'll toss this and the corn, the coffee, the cornmeal. 26 paper we'll toss. We're gonna sell all of those. The rotten flesh we'll toss. We're gonna take one of these because we're still pretty hurt. And we're gonna drink a bunch of these because we've got the dirty water mod and that's gonna use 30 water. So we're gonna drink a bunch of these. There. Okay, so now we're not encumbered anymore. Replenish the dirty water we just drank. We're not taking the cornmeal though. No, I said we're not taking the cornmeal, game. Okay, so that's locked. So we gotta go up through here. And up there, I assume. Oh, there's an ammo pile in here on top of the elevator. Take that. Okay, up we go. Oh, are there people behind there? Hell yeah, there are. Ooh! Jesus. Seems... Oh, okay. Yeah, so we gotta go over there. So let's go in here and see if there's anything in this office. Another cooking magazine. Another Tech Planet magazine. Okay, so now we gotta go up here. Ugh. And not fall. We're not even gonna try to get that garbage over there. Because, like, it's 1 o'clock already. Holy ass. Oh, Jesus. Frank! Oh my god! Multiple Franks. Oh, okay, you're the slow Frank. Oh, and he died. Okay. Yeah. Sure. The game knows I need medical. Thanks, game. A splint just in case I need it later. Jesus. Okay. Blood bag we won't use, so I'll just throw that away. And we're pretty hungry, actually. Let's get rid of this, because we'll use up this spot. Hops. I'll throw the potato seed if we need the space, but... Okay, so there's main loot. Which means shit's gonna knock off. Yeah, like, look at all the red dots that just spawned in. Okay, come on up, guys. We'll take you on the stairs. Oh, and a white. A feral white. Jesus. Okay. Whew. So just one left? Okay. quest complete. Go us. That was touch and go there for a little bit. I thought we were going to die. And I've never been through this POI before. So, okay. Big ammo pile. What do we got? Some ammo we don't use and some buckshot and stuff. Medical pile. What do we got? Bandage, which will replace one of the bandages that we used. That's shotgun Messiah box. Tactical warfare, some parts we can sell. Fuck, we got like no room. Let's read this. We'll take that. And was there anything else in here? We don't need this, even though it's a marble stone axe. Use this. Toss this. We'll scrap that. Yeah, we'll just scrap it because we're using the axe now, right? So, popping pills. Some more medical stuff that'll stack. Savage Country. Some bow parts that we'll sell. Infested cash. So some sizable amount of ammo. A stack and a quarter, or a stack and a third of 7.62 and a food bundle. Some ammo we can sell. We're gonna have to make some room. Like, I might just have to read these. They're only worth 22, so I might as well read them, right? We've got lots of money now. These are worth more, though. Read these. Read that. Take that. And then I want to scrap this for the lead, because I won't use the buck. And then we've got 13 lockpicks, so let's see if we can get in here without having to break it in, because I really would rather not break it in. We really need to get home, though. Like, get this handed in to Trady, because this is a Wrecked quest, so we're going to have to run over to Wrecked. And then home, because we've got to upgrade those blocks in our horde base, because we haven't upgraded them yet. Okay, so bow book, forge ahead book, not bad. Some more ammo, some money, another bandage. That mod we can't really do anything with. We're gonna scrap the cash. Actually, we'll just toss it. And I don't have anything that we can put that mod in. Here, let's just drink a coffee and we'll take the mod. Okay. And that's it. Okay. And we didn't check, but we really don't have room anyway for anything. And we gotta push this button. Garbage in here. Tool shelf. Jesus. Not very observant. Look at that. 3 lockpicks. Okay. So our bike is out here. Let's go. And Wrecked is like 700 meters away. And we'll see if we can sell Wrecked the clothing that's in my bicycle as well. Hi, Chook. Hi, Chook. Oh no, it's a fence. We've been foiled almost. Not quite. Okay. Almost at Wreckers. Let's go. Oh, that's another thing, too, is that Wrecked, he's even more of a douchebag. It seems in the 1.0 release. We'll see. Hopefully they change it. The Fun Pimps change some stuff. Because, like, just from the streamer weekend, he just seems like such a knob. So let's get in there. We don't have any inventory room to actually take our quest rewards, so we'll have to sell him some stuff first. Hey, Wreckers.
You're not bringing...
We'll get out of there and let me see what you have, and then I'll go see what you have to sell.
This is all
So all of the 9mm we can sell. Shotgun ammo, schematics that are worth a pretty penny. Bow part. We'll see if we can unload all of this clothing on you. Oh, good. These, because we never use them. 44. I don't trust myself with grenades. Is that it? Looks like it.
Don't let the...
Okay.
Well, looky here,
So
boy.
we can get a steel
We got
spear, a
ourselves
nail
real
gun,
life hero,
frags,
and now
pocket.
He wants to be paid.
Triple pocket might be nice. The nail gun would be nice though too. I don't know if we have a nail gun at home. Fuck, I kind of want that. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna take triple pocket. Let's see. A fetch and clear.
Look, blockhead, I'll give you
I don't like
work,
the
but
Crackable
enough of your
headquarters.
bullshit means not important. What is important
Oh,
is
we
if
could go and
you
do.
have
We
the
can go do
balls, it's a
Zuckerberg's
deal.
house. Yeah, okay.
Disappoint me, and you'll find yourself.
Let's get this stuff home first, though. Let's take Ollie. Yep. And off we go. Oh, let's go grab that airdrop, actually, before we go home, because it's, like, on our way. Yeah, we need to upgrade those steps. I can't believe we haven't even tested it. Hopefully it works. Like, the base itself should work. I just wish that I had maybe moved up the head spot on that, like the lip that I have set up. But, say, Livy. Hi, airdrop. Fancy meeting you here. Another schematic we can sell. More armor we can sell. Okay. Here is our driveway that we never use. Look at that. Oops, hit my head. Oh yeah, that's another thing is the ladders. Apparently there's some changes to ladders in the update. So let's see, can we put that triple pocket in something? Not in there. Oh, modified. Oh, we don't even have a bandolier mod either. Well, there's 3 extra slots for Horde Night tonight. I want to take all of my, like a whole bunch of ammo, because I don't know what it's going to be like. I'm just going to take it all, because I don't know what it's going to be like. I've got the tacky, the AK-47. Yeah, the tacky's better. And we'll need some repair kits, in case we need to repair our gun and our knife. Okay, and we need the shovel so we can upgrade the stuff that's over there. Because we don't, yeah, we don't actually have a nail gun. That's okay. We haven't hooked up the electricity yet either. Holy fuck. That's gonna have to be for the next horde. Like, we'll have to do that next horde. Because my thought is, with the update coming out, my thought is this, is that, we might as well play this until the update comes out. Like, the actual official stable release. Because I really don't want to have to start a world and then start it all over again. Like, I don't want to. So let's go upgrade these blocks. Oh yeah, the storms. The new storm soundtrack that's added to 7 days. That is some beautifulness. Hopefully this works. I really hope that this hoppy thing works. Yeah, so I think that this will work. I think, because then they'll jump up here, and then their heads are going to be half a block higher than they were. So I think it's going to be easier for me to hit them. Let's upgrade you. Because I know I only have a little bit of concrete. There. Damages are damaged a little bit, but not too bad. Fuck, we've got, like, some time. Is there anything else we can do here at home? Well, we haven't checked our dew collectors and stuff all day. And they're full. We're horrible farmers. You're growing. Growing. Okay. Apparently we're good farmers. Look it, they're all growing. And our mushrooms are all growing. Okay. I'm just gonna go over there. I can't not go over there. Do I have my bike on me? So, yes, okay. Is this the horde before the horde? Hi, Darlene. I think this should work, though, because it's going to put their heads. It should put their heads, like, right here, I think. So it'll be... We can't close these. Or, yeah, we can't close these, really. When we had them open, we had to fight with it open last time. We'll see. We'll see. Okay. I'm just going to sit here and do a whole lot of nothing. Do we have any points to spend while we're waiting? We got 1 point. I don't know if we had plans. Did we have plans for that point? Something about Daring Adventurer, I think. No, because we need that to be 7. Well, we might as well put it in there, though, right? Yeah, okay. We'll put it in there. And then hopefully we'll get enough points. That'll be 2... Oh, fuck, that's going to be 4 points. So 5 points to get the next level of Daring Adventure. It's going to take 5 points. So I'm just going to sit here and wait, because we've got like an hour. Oh my goodness. Maybe I'll die again. Hopefully not, but we'll see. If this is the last Horde night of this playthrough, I'm... yeah, okay. I'm okay with it either way. Oh no. Oh. Here they are. Now the test. Let's see. Oh, okay, they're pathing, which is good. Forgot about the spiders, that they'd be able to jump on, but that's okay. Look at this, we're actually not dying. Holy crap. Oh. I was really worried about that jump, but yeah, no, it doesn't seem to be an issue. I just need to make sure I don't get too close so that they punch me in the face. Yeah, this base design really works well, I think. Come on. Oh my goodness, if this is all it is all the rest of the night, then I don't think this is going to be an issue. Oh, except when they climb on each other like that. Oh, missed you, Nancy. Oh, I'm quite happy with this. Look at that. On my way to my 5 skill points. Yay! Frank? Oh, Frank tickled me that time. And I'm infected. It has begun. Oh, come on. Oh, I'm gonna have to open this to get that spider. Plus side, though, the hatches are handy for that. Almost midnight. Come on, boys. You guys can go lay down, please. Lois. And I haven't even used my gun yet. There haven't been any cops or anything though, so we'll see. Like, the biggest thing's been an Edward. Oh. Lois! No! Oh, biker. How are these? Oh yeah, see, they're not bad at all. Excuse you. You can stop.
Why are you guys attacking the stairs? It's like they're in destroy everything. Oh!
Grab this loot. Might as well. They're beating something. I don't think that they're actually coming around. They're making their way here. They're taking a little bit to get here, but they're getting here. Guys, like, I can't kill you with my knife if you continue to attack the stairs. I can't chance going down there, because, like, it's too early in the horde night, and I'll friggin' get wrecked. Come on, bird. I don't know where they are. Oh, they're down here. Come on. It's very eventless, actually, if we're being honest. Like, I think my base might be too OP. Oh, a couple of the dogs made it through. Come on up. I'm lonely up here. Oh, that really hurt me. I'm actually pretty hurt. I never noticed. I have medical supplies. I might as well use them.
Come here, biker.
Need to get the cop. I can't have the cops going off because I don't have anything that blocks their vomit up here. I need you guys to stop breaking the stairs. Like, I don't understand why you're trying to break the stairs. It doesn't make sense, Toothpaste Mama, as to what you're doing and why. Oh, there's 2 skill points. We only need 5. Oh. Shoot your head off. Feral Arlene. Thanks for the loot. A tear sticks, diamond shovel. Thank you. Thank you for the shovel. Or marble shovel, not diamond shovel. It's not Minecraft.
Oh, come on.
Oh, I didn't even notice there was another cop right there. Can we get him? Yeah. Stop attacking my stairs. It's like I need to put the killing corridor stairs on the side so that they don't get stuck on the side and beat it. And they actually run up the stairs like a normal zombie would. Well, it's almost 3, so we've almost got it to end a horde. I think that this is successful. We can classify this as a successful mission, I think. And it sounds like they've maybe stopped beating the barn, so they've actually dug holes in. Oh yeah, look, they took out that step down there. So I'll have to replace that. Oh yeah, they're coming through way faster now. Come on, we'll take a few of you out like this. Might as well. See how many heads we can pop off. That's 3 in a row. Oh. Oh. Where's that cop? It's puking. Excuse you. No, thank you. Come on, almost 4 a.m. Oh, I'm so happy with how well this worked. Yeah. So yeah, I think we're going to try to play at least another week in this round. Because we don't know how long it's going to take for the update to come out. The stable update, I mean, to come out. Update's out now, but stable. There's another biker. Double biker. Oops. Come on, Edgar. Bye, Edgar. It's a Darlene mosh pit. Hi, Darlene. Okay, you are dead, I thought so. Well, let's see what's in these. Another book that we've never read. That's handy. There's a couple loot bags down at the bottom, too. Are you coming or what? Like, it's 10 minutes to morning. We'll grab those boxes, or those bags. We'll grab them down here. Is it just you? Oh, yeah, and that's where they were trying to break through. Okay. There! Morning chime. So we survived. Actually, here, we'll just go run around the front really quick. And we'll make sure that there's, see if there's anything else. Just the 2 loot bags. Yeah, did a little bit of damage to the stairs, but not bad. Just really that one block. Okay, let's read this. Dismember chance, okay. So then we can take the, and we'll scrap the shovel. There, we'll take that. I'm going to stop it here. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this horde night of not really that much adventure. Maybe next week we'll get, like, the bubble guys and stuff. Maybe some demos. That'd be nice. But yeah, so thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great time zone, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!